everyone, it's Jamie for Not Too Shabby. I have a really cute box to share with you I created. I thought I'd revisit a project that I did many moons ago. I got the tutorial from Chicken Scratch on YouTube. I followed her tutorial to make this cute little box, and this was a Valentine's Day box. So I thought I would use this little box for an Easter box because it looks like a perfect little size to put a little egg in there, or a little bag of jelly beans, or a little treat in there for Easter. And when I saw CC Designs came out with this new stamp set, oh, I knew it was the perfect stamp set for this project. It's called Easter Cuties. I have it listed in the shop, so I'll have it in the description box. There is also a coordinating stamp set to create a little background if you wanted for your little characters, and it's called Easter Town. So I thought this was an adorable stamp set, so I couldn't wait to play with it. So here are my cute little boxes. Oh, here, let me show you these real quick so I can move these out of the way. I started coloring up some more so I could create some little note cards. They're so fun to color. Okay, so let's lay these down and then I'll bring them up so you can see them better. Okay, so this was the first one that I put together, and then I didn't like the placement of the little flag. I started placing them at the bottom, and I thought that looked a lot better. So I used the Spring Wishes stamp from the set. I paired off these two little cuties together, and I did some masking. And then I drew in the grass with Copics, and I colored in the sky with Copic markers, and added a little black jelly pen to the eyes, and some white little details to their cheeks. And I will have the tutorial on how to create the box, and you just add some little crinkle paper to the inside, tie it up with this bow. I did use a brad to hold the top together. On the last one that I did, you could do it this way as well. I just created two brads, one on each side, so you can open the box if you wanted, like this. So see, there's a brad here and a brad here, and you'll see what I'm talking about when I do the tutorial. So this one I just fastened the brad through both sides. So you just got to reach in to get your treat from the side. So you could do it either way you like. So here's another one, and I made this little guy look fuzzy with the little white gel pen, and then I added some white detail to the grass, and then again the sky is colored with Copic markers, and that one has the blue crinkle. And then see how I like the flag at the bottom better? This one, I had the little chick stand on top of his head because he's got his little legs spread out, so it looked like he wanted to sit up there. And then just everything's done with the Copic markers. I add a little jewel for a little pop of bling. And then the last one, the little girl with the Easter bunny outfit on. And then I stamped the little flowers. Really simple grassy hill in the background. Okay, so stay tuned to watch how to create these cute little boxes. I hope you give them a try. They're really fun and easy to make. You don't need any glue to put the boxes together, which is awesome. And I'll have the links down below to this cute little stamp set. I know it's going to sell out quickly. So if you want to get your hands on it, run on over. You could save 10% off by using my coupon code Jamie. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, everyone. So we have our paper cut by 5 by 10. We're going to go ahead and score it at 1 1/4. Flip it over and score at 1 1/4 on the other side here. flip it landscape and score at 4. Flip your paper and score this other side here at 4. Okay, now we're going to fold on your score lines. Give it a good press with your bone folder. Score on the other score lines here. Okay, so now we're going to fold these in. We're going to take this end and bring it to this end here. So I like to hold this end down with my finger and just bring it up like so. Touch this end over here. So you're creating a little triangle on the inside here. You're going to do it to the other side. So we've got both ends starting to form our box here. So we have the score line here. I know it's hard to see on video with this pattern paper. And then we're going to fold it to this end over here, creating that little triangle on the inside. So we don't need any glue for this box. It's a little origami box. Okay, so then when you bring the two ends up, it creates that little box. And to close it all together, you just punch a little hole and tie your ribbon. So I like to use my crocodile here, and I'm just going to punch a hole in the middle. Make sure that your ends are flush together before you punch that hole. And just center that. And then put a little brad in there to keep it shut. Now, if you don't have any brads or one of these crocodiles that close the brad up for you, just punch a hole with a hole puncher and then tie your ribbon. If you have any problems with the little paper opening up because you didn't clamp it down, just add a little glue. You can pinch the sides in a little bit if you want, and then just put some Easter grass in there, add your little ribbon, and it's a super cute box.